Oh no. Alright, well, just keep me posted. I'm making a movie of Leia right now. I'm making a movie of Leia. I'm making a movie of her. Yeah. Oh, it's good. Mellow. Yeah, Lucas was good. Yeah, he was fine this morning. He was better than yesterday. A lot less whiny. Yeah. Yeah. Nope, nothing else. I will check that. No, I haven't heard anything yet. But you know what? I think the phone was